Imagine a fortress so grand, so perfectly preserved, it seems to have materialized straight from the pages of a medieval saga. How could such an intricate tapestry of stone, tower, and rampart possibly endure centuries of conflict and neglect, rising like a defiant phoenix from the ashes of time?
High above the Aude River in southern France, stands Carcassonne, a name that echoes with legend and an undeniable testament to human ingenuity and resilience.
This UNESCO World Heritage Site isn't just a collection of old buildings, it's a living, breathing monument to a bygone era, an architectural marvel that continues to captivate the imagination. The story of Carcassonne is etched into its very foundations, beginning as a Roman oppidum guarding a vital trade route. Over millennia, it grew, evolving under Visigothic, then Frankish rule. But it was in the medieval period, particularly during the turbulent Albigensian Crusade in the 13th century, that Carcassonne truly solidified its legendary status. Its formidable defenses, featuring a double ring of walls stretching over 3 kilometers and punctuated by an astonishing 52 towers, made it virtually impregnable. After enduring sieges and changing hands, it became a strategic border stronghold for the Kingdom of France. Yet, by the 17th century, with the border shifted, Carcassonne began a long decline, eventually falling into ruin, its grand walls repurposed for housing, its ancient stones crumbling. It was on the brink of complete demolition until a dramatic intervention in the 19th century sparked an ambitious, albeit controversial, restoration led by the visionary architect Eugene Viollet-le-Duc, breathing new life into this sleeping giant. Within these ancient stones lie tales both heroic and haunting. Perhaps the most celebrated is the legend of Dame Carcas. During a 5-year siege by Charlemagne, the city faced starvation. Dame Carcas, widow of the city's lord, ingeniously fed the last pig with the remaining grain and then threw it from the highest tower. Charlemagne, seeing the seemingly well-fed pig and assuming the city had endless provisions, lifted the siege in despair. In triumph, Dame Carcas ordered the trumpets to sound, crying Carcassonne. Carcass sounds, giving the city its legendary name. A lesser-known fact, often overlooked, is the subtle difference in the conical roofs of the towers. Some feature slate, a 19th-century Viollet-le-Duc choice, while others retain the original, more southern terracotta, a visible signature of the complex layers of history and restoration. From its humble Roman beginnings to its majestic medieval peak, Carcassonne stands as one of Europe's largest and most complete medieval fortified cities. It's a place where history isn't just read, it's felt in every cobblestone, every soaring battlement. It's a breathtaking achievement of engineering and perseverance, a city that cheated oblivion and now welcomes millions to walk through its storied past. And here's the mind-blowing truth: the seemingly untouched medieval masterpiece was largely rebuilt and saved from utter destruction less than 200 years ago, a testament to passionate preservation. To uncover more incredible stories from humanity's past and present, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us on our next adventure.